Erik Linask here, coming to you from ComTel 2011 in Las Vegas. I'm talking now with Erik Levitt from EndStream. Erik, thanks for joining me. Good to see you again.
Always a pleasure.
Likewise. So a couple of things that we want to talk about today. The first, I guess, let's start with your new mobile announcement.
Yes, we announced Stream Dialer today, and that is the mobile application that has both wholesale and retail applications. We're using it to allow our subscribers to access our network when they go mobile. Other wholesale applications include mobile call recording for compliance purposes, hospitality applications, as well as the ability for any fixed line provider, fixed line wireless provider, IXC or PTT to maintain their subscriber when they go mobile. The application works on any smartphone, Android, iPhone, or BlackBerry. There's going to be a version of Windows Mobile coming out in the third quarter of this year. And the application requires only a very limited amount of data in order to signal the call, but then the call gets made on the voice network. It doesn't use callback, it doesn't use DTMF. It's a completely proprietary technology that we developed. I have a version of the application here on my iPhone. This is a simple example dialer application, and the dial pad allows the user very easily to access the application on their phone. The application will be available in the second quarter of this year.
Almost seems to me these days that you don't necessarily, maybe you don't have to, but it's so easy to develop a mobile app that to extend services and capabilities to your subscribers that it'd be almost foolish not to.
Yeah, we feel that with the mobile revolution that's taking place right now, that mobile access to your network is a vital component of doing business in the industry and also going forward. There's been an explosion of applications, there's an explosion of bandwidth on the mobile networks, and as the mobile providers continue to build out their infrastructure, there's going to be a greater mobile availability, not just in the United States, but also abroad. There are currently issues with expatriates being able to dial their families, which we can attempt to resolve with the application. There's also mobile roaming issues, where we can be the second piece of the software component to the mobile SIM provider.
So I think we're past the point of mobility being a differentiator, but are we to a point now where not having a mobile app is a negative differentiator?
Absolutely. Mobile is the largest growth space in the industry, and to be able to maintain your subscriber when they go mobile is a critical component of any carrier's infrastructure today.
And we all know that's what every carrier is trying to do, is keep those subs. You guys also have a second announcement today.
Yes, we announced today that we're now a CLEC in Florida. Part of our nationwide build-out, we're going to include New York, New Jersey, Ohio, California, Texas, and several other states in that build-out. We should have network availability beginning with Miami, Orlando, Tampa, West Palm Beach, Fort Lauderdale, and Jacksonville early in the second quarter, and we're going to continue to build out that infrastructure throughout the year. We'll be offering data services as well as our traditional voice services on that network.
Wow, that's exciting. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Tell me a little bit more about what kind of services and capabilities you'll be rolling out.
Sure. EndStream, of course, has its roots in the wholesale telecommunications space on the voice side. So we have an extensive origination network as well as termination network. And we're going to continue to build that on a local basis, as well as moving forward, offering data services. We plan on announcing EOC within the Miami metro area and within Fort Lauderdale and West Palm through the second and third quarter of this year, beginning with Miami Beach. And moving forward, we're also going to be working with residential DSL as well as residential EOC, and later on in the year, extending that to all of our domicile select states.
Oh, that's fantastic. And I imagine you'll be leveraging the Stream Dialer as well?
Well, with the CLEC application, it allows us to be a wholesale provider, not just for fixed line facilities, but also for wireless facilities, so that we can offer a carrier on a wholesale basis access to their subscriber when they're at home, access to their subscriber when they're in their business, and access to their subscriber when they go mobile.
Any plans to further extend the footprint later on?
We have 27 states in mind.
Wow, it's excellent. Any timetable planned?
It's going to be over the course of the next year and a half to 2 years.
Excellent.
Great.
Anything else we can look forward to from EndStream?
Well, there's a lot on the horizon, and as we announce more facilities, we'll definitely be keeping everybody abreast of what's going on.
Well, thank you, Eric. It's been a
Thank you very
pleasure
much.
as always, and I look forward to hearing more as you roll things out.
Thank you.
We've been talking here with EndStream's Erik Levitt at CompTel Las Vegas 2011. Eric, thanks again.
Eric, always a pleasure.